In this video, I'll be showing you how you can control the onboard LED on the Raspberry Pi Pico W by writing a MicroPython script. So let's start coding. The first thing that we need to do is we need to import all the necessary libraries and functions. So I'm going to say from machine, import pin. We also need to import the sleep function from the uTime library. Next, we need to set up the LED variable. So I'm just going to say LED is equal to pin LED pin.out. As you can see, the pin function accepts two parameters. The first parameter lets us specify that we want to control the onboard LED. The second parameter tells the Pico that we want to output data to the onboard LED. Now that we have defined the LED variable, how do we turn it on? To do that, we can actually call the on method. So we can just say LED.on, and if we were to run this program, the onboard LED is on. If we want to turn it off, we just have to do the opposite. So instead of on, we can just say off, and then when we run this, the onboard LED is off. Now the question is, how do we make the onboard LED blink? To do that, we can create a loop that will continuously turn the LED on and off. So we can just say while true, turn the LED on, and then we need a delay. So I'm just going to say sleep for 3 seconds, and then we need to turn it off. Then we need to have another delay. If we were to run this, the LED is going to turn on for 3 seconds and off for 3 seconds. So that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to control the onboard LED on the Raspberry Pi Pico W. In the next video, we're going to learn how to control an external LED. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.